Welcome to the IEVR HUB tutorial. First, download Firefox. Application only works with Firefox. Next, you are going to open up Firefox. On the Firefox homepage, you're going to type in IEVRHUB.com. The main page will look like this. We will create a room by pressing the big pink button. Click Enter Room. Choose your device. Grant Firefox permission to your microphone. Test your mic. Then you are going to enter the room. And now you have created a room. This is how you create rooms. To invite others, you're going to click on Share. You are either going to send the link or the code to your friend, and they will join. Again, click on Firefox. Type in IEVRHUB. Instead of Create Room, they will click Have Room Code, and will type out the number given to them. Or they can click the link. Just make sure your Firefox is your main browser. Follow the prompt shown earlier. And that's the basics of how to join IEVRHUB. Tablet and phone, you're going to pinch your fingers to move. Above share, you can use other features. Video camera lets you screen share and cast your video camera. The mic lets you mute yourself. Magic wand lets you spawn in objects. The marker lets you draw in world. And the camera lets you take footage from other positions. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.